Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Elementor Pro form not sending email. First, make sure email action is set. Then, edit your form with Elementor. Under section after submit, make sure email is selected. Now, check email settings. Still, in the form widget, go to the email section. Ensure these fields are filled correctly. To your email address, e.g., you@example.com. From email, use the domain page email, e.g. contact@yourdomain.com, not Gmail or Yahoo. Message contains from the fields like field ID, name, field ID email, etc. Next, try a basic task with a known working address. Then, use a simple form with only name and email. Set to as an email from your domain. Test submission again. WordPress's native p_mail function can be unreliable, especially on shared hosting. Next, install an SMTP plugin like WP Mail SMTP, Post SMTP. Configure it using a real email service, Gmail, Sendinblue, Bravo, Mailgun, or your hosting SMTP. After setup, set a test email from the plugin settings to verify it works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.